Do you want to know how to make money online in UAE without investment? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I'm often asked about ways to make money online in specific countries, and I have several videos aimed towards different countries, and in this video I will focus on different free ways you can earn if you live in the United Arab Emirates. And I will show you 10 legit and easy ways you can get started with right away. If you live in another country and want to know how to make money online, I have a full playlist about opportunities in different countries. I'll leave a link to that playlist in the top corner so you can check that out instead. So before we start going over the 10 methods, let's first set the expectations, because in this video we will talking about free ways to earn online if you live in the UAE. So that means you can really literally do this without any investment at all. And all of these methods definitely work, and I've used all of them myself and earned by using all of them also. However, you do need to do it with the right expectations, because it's not something that will make you rich overnight. Some of the methods can make you some quite nice money if you're willing to put in the effort, but overall most of the methods are methods where you can start earning here and now, but it is a way to earn some extra cash on the side, not a way to become rich or anything like that. But as mentioned, you do not have to invest anything at all. You can start earning right away. So if you're looking to earn some extra money online, then these are great opportunities if you live in the UAE. So let's now get to the list. It's not a prioritized list because all of the options can be great. You can use many of them at the same time if you want to. Which ones are the best really depends on your personal preferences. So let's now get started with the list. So the first option I want to show you is paid service. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to earn some extra money online in the UAE, paid service is one of the best options. And there are actually quite a lot of paid service sites that are specifically recruiting in the UAE and have quite a lot of decent paying service available there. On my website, I have a list of the 20 best paid service sites in the UAE. I will leave a link to that below so you can go there and see all about all of them and easily sign up for the ones that you want to get started with. If you're just looking to get started right away, paid service is one of the easiest methods, just to answer some questions, and then you can earn both cash, crypto, and gift cards. Next option is to use different passive income apps. One option is peer-to-profit, but this is just one example. Here you just need to install it on your device and then you will earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. But there are several different passive ways, and this means like literally passive. You do not have to do anything. It will not earn you huge money, but a little bit extra just by installing certain things, and then you will earn in the background. On my website also I have a list of the best passive income apps. I will also leave a link to that list below so you can go there and read all about it and sign up for the options you think are right for you. The next opportunity is to do data entry tasks, and there are many jobs like that, and if you find the right jobs you can actually earn even potentially a full-time income doing that. And one platform that I find is great to find remote work in general, but also data entry, but you can find many types of remote work, is called Flex Jobs. You just go and, for example, if you search for data entry, you can see some of them are for specific nationalities, but you can also find some that are worldwide and remote, and you can see right now they have more than 1,000 different data entry type of jobs, but many remote jobs you can find from here also in the UAE. I also have a list on my website about the best data entry sites, so you can look at different options, see what fits you the best. I will leave a link below both to a full review I have of Flex Jobs and also of this list of the best data entry jobs, so you can easily find more information. Next option is to earn by playing games. This is not something that will make you rich, but it can be a fun way to earn a bit extra. One opportunity is to use an app called App Karma, but this is again just an example. There are different websites that offer that, where you just download, play small games. I also have a list on my website of a full list of different ways to earn by playing games. I will leave a link to that below. If you're looking for more like a full-time income by playing, then you can become a game tester by profession. I also have a video where I show more info about that. I will leave a link to that in the top corner, so then you can check that out if that's what you're going for. So the next opportunity is to use Get Paid to Site. That is platforms where you can do all kind of small tasks, including taking paid service, taking paid offers, downloading apps, doing all kind of small tasks. And one of the best for this is free cash, and it offers some of the highest rewards and some really great rewards whether you want to get paid in crypto or cash. So I will also leave a link to that below so you can find that, but I will also leave a link to my list on my website of the top get paid to site, because there's a lot of great get paid to site where you can do all kind of small tasks to earn some extra money quite fast. We're now halfway through the list, and it would be great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So the next option I want to talk about is to earn cryptocurrencies, because there's quite a lot of different ways to earn cryptocurrencies for free. And if you do that, then potentially what you earn now can become worth a lot more in the future, and it can also support a technology. If you believe in the technology as I do, then it can support that technology that can have huge potential in the future. And I have several videos about different ways to earn free crypto. I will leave a link below, for example, to a video I have about the best ways to earn Bitcoin for free, and also one I have about the best ways to earn Ethereum for free. Then you can check that out if this is something you're interested in. Next, I want to talk about making money by watching videos, because this is something many people ask me about, and it is actually possible to earn by watching videos online. You just need to do it with the right expectations. It's not the most effective way to earn. Out of all the options in this video, it is probably the lowest paying one, so it does take patience. But if you really want to do that, and if you're interested to know more, I also have a video, as you can see on the screen now, about the best ways to earn money by watching videos. I will leave a link to that below, so then you can go and watch more about this and exactly what to expect. The next option is something I find quite interesting, because you can get paid to test different websites and apps and do these usability tests, as it's called, and there's quite a few platforms that offer that. UAE is not the country where you can find the most options like this, but there are some of the sites that will sometimes offer you different tests like this. So it's not something you should rely on as the only option, but you can sign up for a few of these platforms, and then once in a while you'll get a test, and when you get a test they do pay quite decently. I will leave a link below to this list I have on my website of the best user testing sites. Then you can find the ones that you want to sign up for and then get started. The next option is to become a freelancer, and this is one of the ways where you potentially can earn a full-time income if you are willing to put in enough effort to build up a good reputation, and if you have the skills to do this. Maybe you already know what kind of skills you have and you just want to get started, then there are many freelance platforms you can sign up for. But if you want to know more and don't really know what it requires to be a freelancer, I also have a video about 10 easy freelance jobs for beginners. So I will also leave a link to that below and in the top corner. Then you can check that out if this is something you think is the right opportunity for you. The last option is something called cashback websites or apps, and this is where whenever you shop online in most cases, then when you spend money you will get a certain percentage back. So in that sense you do have to invest something, but it's only if you invest something that you were going to invest anyways. That's what's amazing about cashback sites. If you join the right cashback sites, then you just shop like you usually would online, and then you just get some of the money that you were going to spend anyways back into the account that you have, and then you can spend that, take it out as cash, or use it for something else. And I will leave a link below to this list I'm on my website right now of the best cashback websites. Then you can check out which of them you want to join. It's not one of the most effective ways, but it's just to earn a bit extra whenever you spend what you were going to spend anyways. Then it can be a great opportunity. So as you can see, there are some really great options to make some extra money online without any investment at all if you live in the UAE. All of these methods definitely can work. Which ones are the best really depends on your personal preferences. You can try many different of them at the same time if you want to, but I would recommend that you also take the time to focus on a few options at first to really get a sense of it and give them a chance, because sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get used to it and get the full benefits. But then you can expand more. You can just save this video, save a link to it so you can come back and watch it for more information and more inspiration if you want to join more options later. As mentioned, I will leave links below to more information about all these different options so you can easily get started with the right ones for you. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.